Good morning, friends. Today topic is AFF RAFF DG shipping exit exam question answer part 5. So question number 81. When using a CO2 type fire extinguisher, what is the way to use it? Option A, direct and bulkhead behind the fire and let it flow down. Option B, aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire and sweep from side to side. Option C, use it by holding the horn. Option D, direct at high flames and then low. The correct answer is option B, aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire and sweep from side to side. So as a CO2 extinguisher is heavier than air, but it is not a strong liquid. It's a air compound. It is a gaseous compound. It is not a liquid compound. So it can be fly over with the air, and it is having very poor cooling effect also. It is only work and principle of smothering, removal of oxygen from the fire. So you have to aim as low as possible to the depth of the fire in order to extinguish the fire, and you have to sweep left and right, up and down. You have to cover the whole area in order to prevent the reignition, as it is having poor cooling effect and is only cutting off the oxygen. Once you extinguish, you move to other location. That because of the heat energy produced by the other fire will cause again reignition of the extinguished location. So you have to sweep the extinguisher, then only it will completely extinguish the fire. So option B, aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire and sweep from side to side is the correct answer for question number 81. Question number 82. When firefighting in confined space, which fire extinguishers you should not use? Option A, CO2, option B, foam, option C, water, option D, TCP. The correct answer is option A, CO2, because in confined space, when a person is inside and fighting the fire, if you are releasing CO2 or you are using CO2 extinguisher, the confined space can be depleted of oxygen because it is heavier than air. It will remove the oxygen from the atmosphere. Then it became inhalation issue for a person and became person fatality because lack of oxygen present in the space. If he is not carrying any SCBA set, then he will be in chances of fatality death. So CO2 is the extinguisher we cannot use in fighting fire when a person is inside confined space for a large quantity. So option A is correct answer for question number 82. Question number 83. What is automated release unit? Option A, an electromagnetic device which keeps the door open until no fire is there. Option B, automatic release unit for rescue boat. Option C, automatic unit of lifeboat. Option D, none of the above. The automatic release unit, the correct answer is option A, an electromagnetic device which keep the door open until no fire is there. All your alleyway doors, common entrance door, it is kept open by the magnetic switch, which is work under the principle of electromagnetic force. This will keep the door in open condition. If whenever there is a fire alarm, this electromagnetic device is operated by current. This supply for the electromagnetic device, DRU will be cut off, so there is no magnetic effect. The door will be closed by self-closing device automatically. So DRU is the principle what I explained earlier. So for question number 83, option A is correct answer. Question number 84. Aqueous film forming foam, AFF, also called as all-purpose foam. Option A false, option B true. The correct answer is option B true. Question number 85. The sprinkler heads are spaced not more than 4 meters apart and 2 meters from any bulkhead or part of the ship's side which forms a boundary of the protected space. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. As per FSS code and also your SOLAS chapter 2 related to fire appliances firefighting, sprinklers shall be placed in overhead position and spaced in a suitable pattern to maintain an average application rate of not less than 5 liters per meter square per minute over the nominal area covered by the sprinkler. Alternatively, the administration may permit the use of sprinklers providing such quantity of water suitably distributed as has been shown to the satisfaction of the administration to not less than effective. It is not telling how much distance it should be there, how far it should be there. It was telling only this has to cover, each sprinkler has to cover 5 liters per meter square per minute. Accordingly, you have to place your sprinkler, and one branch of sprinklers cannot be more than 200 sprinkler head. One branch of pipeline, one horizontal surface, one vertical surface. It should not be common connection, not more than 200 sprinkler. This is what the regulation says. So question number 85, option B, false, is the correct answer. Question number 86, proper use of fire extinguisher. Option A, pull, aim, shut, sit. Option B, pass, aim, shut, sit. Option C, pass, sure, squeeze. Option D, pass, aim, squeeze, sweep. The correct answer, so many places they are saying option A. It is not a correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. It is a typo error. It can be a pass. It is not a pass. It is a pull. Normally using a fire extinguisher, the principle is pass. P stands for pull, A stands for aim, S stands for squeeze, S stands for sweep. So here option D is more resemblance correct to the answer with respect to other all three options. So question number 86, option D is the correct answer. So many websites, so many videos it was mentioning option A is correct answer. Please correct, it is not A, it is D. Question number 86, the correct answer is option D. Question number 87, when fighting galley fire caused by the cooking oil while extinguisher, you should not use option A, water type, option B, DCP type, option C, foam type, option D, water and DCP both. The correct answer is option D, water and DCP both. For cooking oil fire, you cannot put water. As I said in the earlier videos, if you are putting water, it can be flashed off as a oil is already in hot temperature more than 100 degrees Celsius. When you are putting water, it immediately gets evaporated and it leads to splash the oil to the location. It enhance the fire. And DCP you cannot use, as a DCP is cooking oil. It is very poor effect and it can dry chemicals. It is having a side effects too. So we cannot use DCP also. The best method is using the fire blanket or CO2 extinguisher. So option D is correct answer for question number 87. Question number 88. Why is carbon dioxide better than trichemical for fighting a Class C electrical fire? Option A, the trichemical is a conductor. Option B, trichemical leaves residue. Option C, CO2 will not dissipate in the air. Option D, it takes small amount of CO2 to cover the same area. Option B, trichemical leaves residue is the correct answer for question number 88. Because when you are using trichemical for electrical and electronic fire, which is having the PCB board, the electronic equipment is mostly of the PCB board. This trichemical will leave residue on that region which cannot be repaired. It has to be, the PCB board has to be replaced. So it is not good effective for, it is not recommended to use Class C fire. But if you are not having CO2 extinguisher, you can use dry chemical extinguisher. So this is the reason behind it for not using dry chemical at first stage, first point. If you have, preferably use CO2 rather than dry chemical. So question number 88, option B is correct answer. Question number 89, inert gas system shall be capable of maintaining oxygen level in cargo tanks to below. Option A, 5% by volume. Option B, 7% by volume. Option C, 8% by volume. Option D, 10% by volume. The correct answer is option A, 5% by volume. So many websites, so many videos, it was mentioning that below 8% by volume. The correct answer is below 5%. Inert gas, normally as per ISCOD, maximum 8% of oxygen you can keep in the IG system. And if it is more than 5%, it was raising the alarm. And we try to control the O2 content in the IG less than 5%. And also what are the IG we are producing, it is way less than 5% is easy to attain. So now if you check the cargo tank level, less than 5% will be the oxygen content normally you find in IGs in the cargo tanks IG system. IG gas in the cargo tank will be less than 5% by volume. Option A, 5% by volume is correct answer. So maximum allowable oxygen content inside the tank is 8% as per ISCOD and SOLAS. Sorry, as per SOLAS requirement, it is not more than 8%. You can put but there should be alarm should be activate at percentage of 5. When it comes to 8%, the IG system will get tripped completely in the tankers. So not at all possible to keep more than 8%, but when it comes to 5% alarm, this will be allowed. We will be adjusting it to below 5%. We cannot keep the alarms continuously ringing and run the IG system, so it will be obviously less than 5%. So question number 89, option A, 5% by volume is the correct answer. Please correct it. Please do not go with 8% as it is said by other websites. Question number 90. Along with fixed firefighting system on tanker vessel, what else is special to them? Option A, lifeboat provided with sprinkler system. Option B, sprinkler system in accommodation. Option C, extra rescue boat. Option D, automatic release of CO2. The correct answer is option A, lifeboat provided with sprinkler system. This is asking exclusively on tanker vessel related to firefighting. What is additional extra on tanker vessel? It is lifeboat is provided with sprinkler system is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer, because if there is a abandoned ship is sinking, or there will be oil spill. Oil spill, if the ship has fire or any source of heat is bring to it, there is a chance of fire. Oil is spilled, and we take a situation like if oil is spilled and there is also fire in the engine room, it has been unable to control, so we have to abandon the ship. Already this fire has been transferred to the oil which is already spilled on the water. That will also catch fire. Now how you will lower the lifeboat at the sides of the ship? Already it's a fire. So when the sprinkler system should be present in the lifeboat, then only we can use the sprinkler system. The sprinkler nozzles are facing outside the lifeboat, outside the periphery of the lifeboat, so it will form a spray pattern around the lifeboat in order to prevent the fire is coming in contact with lifeboat. So question number 90, option A is correct answer. Question number 91. Sliding type watertight doors below the waterline should be able to close manually in how many seconds? Option A 10 seconds, option B 30 seconds, option C 15 to 40 seconds, option D 60 to 90 seconds. So many websites it was saying that option B is the answer. No, the correct answer is option D, 60 to 90 seconds. It is clearly mentioned in SOLAS. I also explained this in FPFF video about watertight doors. For question number for watertight doors, I explained in FPFF video. You can refer the FPFF video also. So question number 91, option D is correct answer. Question number 92. Minimum time duration self-contained breathing apparatus available should last. Option A 10 minutes, option B 20 minutes, option C 30 minutes, option D 40 minutes. The correct answer is option C 30 minutes. And again I am repeating, so many websites, so many videos, they are mentioning option B 20 minutes is the correct answer. But it is not a correct answer, it is a wrong answer. The correct answer is option C 30 minutes. It is clearly said in FSS code. It was saying that breathing apparatus shall be self-contained compressed air breathing apparatus for which the volume of air contained in the cylinder shall be at least 1200 liters or other self-contained or 1200 liters or self-contained breathing apparatus which shall be capable of functioning for at least 30 minutes. So it is told in it is already explained in FSS code chapter 3 part 2. It is explained it. So the correct answer for 92 is option C, 30 minutes. Question number 93. What quantity of reserve fuel is to be available for diesel driven fire pump outside of the main machinery space? Option A 20 liters, option B 40 liters, option C sufficient amount for 6 hours operation at full capacity, option D sufficient amount for 15 hours operation at full capacity. The correct answer is option D, sufficient amount for 15 hours operation at full capacity. It is explained in SOLAS chapter 2:1. It should be able to run for 15 hours, the diesel driven engine for running the fire pump, able to run in full capacity for 15 hours. That much fuel should be available outside the machinery space. So correct answer is option D for question number 93. Question number 94. When using foam type of fire extinguisher on the fire in the engine room, best way is option A. Direct the foam on the bulkhead behind the fire and let it slowly spread over the fire. Option B. Spread the foam from side of the fire to the inside bay. Option C. Direct aim at the fire and do the sweep action. Option D. Spray in the high flame first. The correct answer is option A. Direct the foam on the bulkhead behind the fire and let it slowly spread over the fire. So this here foam, it is acting like a smothering effect. It is form a blanket, prevent oxygen in come in contact with fuel, and foam also having very good effect of cooling effect because of presence of water content in the foam. Foam is nothing but the foam concentration plus water and plus air. So this is a foam. So when you cannot directly apply into it, it will fly off. You need some backside support in order to flow into this unit to cover the region. So option A is correct answer for question number 94. Question number 95. In cargo ship capacity of fire pump may not exceed 180 meter cube per hour. The correct answer option A false, option B true. The correct answer is option B true. It is said in SOLAS chapter 2:1 the capacity of the fire pump is 180 meter cube per hour, not exceeding 180 meter cube per hour. So option B is correct answer for question number 95. Question number 96. An initial attempt to extinguish a galley grease fire may be made by using option A water, option B a mechanical foam system, option C the range hood extinguishing system, option D fire dampers only. The correct answer is option C, the range hood extinguishing system. Question number 96, option C is correct answer. Question number 97. Class D fire involves option A fire involves metals, option B fire involving liquids, option C fire involving gas or electrical, option D electrical, fire involving solid material. The correct answer is option A fire involving metal. Question number 97. The correct answer is option A. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like. If you want to see the updated videos related to the exit exams, DG shipping exit exam with a clear explanation, and also find out the prompt way of answering, and also any video related to the marine will be updated in my channel. If you want to get updated and also seen all these videos in future, please subscribe my channel. If you have any clarification, doubt, suggestion, it is always welcome in the comment box. And also if my answers are wrong, if I somewhere wrong, please correct me in comment box. Thank you.